Hey everyone, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache in Google Chrome in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. So what is cache? Basically, it's temporary data that your browser stores to help websites load faster. But sometimes, this data can slow things down or cause glitches. Clearing it can speed up your browsing. First, let's open Chrome. Click on the three vertical dots on the top right corner and then go to Settings. You can also type Google Chrome/settings in the address bar for a quicker route. Next, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security, then select Clear Browsing Data. This will bring up a window where you can choose what you want to clear. Make sure cached images and files is checked. You can also select the time range here. For a fresh start, choose All Time. If you want, you can also clear your cookies or browsing history. But let's just focus on cache here for now. Now hit clear data and boom, your cache is clear. This should help speed things up and fix any loading issues. And that's it. You have successfully cleared your cache on Chrome. Simple, right? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips like this one. Let me know in the comments if you've noticed a speed boost after clearing your cache.